What's up, gang? It's your girl Reacts by V, and I am back with another react. And y'all, it's the 4th of July today, so happy 4th to all of y'all. Let's get straight into it.
That's if you're not in the life. But if you in the streets, everybody across the country in the streets know what's up with Dago in the streets.
All right, y'all. Before Lil Weirdo get into it, y'all. I'm loving this wave of the genre. I'm gonna call it the genre that we're in, y'all, because y'all are in it with me. Tell me y'all not. I'm really liking it. It's really different. Y'all are really showing me the diverse group. Like they out here rapping, they out here just trapping, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. And they music, it's given all the way. But y'all, not too much talking. I know I said that. I lied. But this is Lil Weirdo, gang. I've never done Lil Weirdo before. First time watch. Let's see what Lil Weirdo is talking about. Is he weird on the track? Like, we're gonna see. I don't know.
Alright, look it, hey, where I'm from, they got a bunch of chase thugs, but they get away. Get street love, hard body, and straight legs. I was around real killers before they got their case. You still be around the ones that got away, man. Cocaine, it was a cold case, but that's my bro, man. But we don't do the fake tripping, we get up on things, ain't really built like that. Fuck what his song say, kush, pills, and cocaine like I want y'all.
I didn't know how he was gonna be coming, gang. I'm talking about they rapping, they trapping. I like it, y'all. And just remember, gang, every time I get on the video with y'all, this is my first time watching it, listening to it, hearing it. That's why I love for the requests to come through, how they be coming through, gang. Because I'm going to get there.
Got a muscle in, but we ain't talking about lifting weights. Follow programmer, get lined up and fall in place. She know I'm him, I'm the one like Hardaway. I hit first, they made a movie like on Ray J. What's up with it, P? I can't you see? They try to bully everybody, but ain't fucking with me. They know what's up with a beat. I ain't coming in peace. They start tripping, I'll get with it and start flipping.
They know how to push up on a P. I ain't coming in peace. Okay, you feel me? Because he said he straight play about this shit. And he going to end about this shit player. Okay, Lil Weirdo. Y'all didn't tap me into something different. And I like it. Okay. Okay, gang.
When they say, man, basically a youngin' out here popping, so they hating me. Keep that yank on me, boy. Think you fighting me? I ain't a pup, I'm a pit bull, homie, major. Home run hits about a 10 like the major.
Nigga said I ain't a pit. I ain't my bad, y'all. Well, clearly he said he's a pit. He ain't coming. He ain't coming to fight. He finna take you out. Okay. Do what you do, little weirdo.
Speak on the team, you know it's problems when you facing me. Buck 50s and buck shots. Say, can you hang with them? That bitches for pussy. Man, you damn near raping them. They be throwing that shit at me. I don't even be taking it. They be faking it. Like, but it is what it is. And you starting with some fools with the shit. Look. And they don't do anything for they rep if they don't say it with their chest and they talking out their neck. Have respect that. Push up on them, see where his head at. Go ahead and pocket check him like, homie, see where his bread at. Then we pull up on him, shoot it to him like we fed at. And I be in that bitch head like a headache. All gas, no.
Being that bitch head like a headache. You feel me? He said she can't stop thinking about me. Cause that's on period, y'all. I like Lil Weirdo, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and give this man a 11 out of 10. Cause it's definitely not what I was expecting. It's not like I was expecting. I just got done. I just got off of King Lil G, Young Drummer Boy, and then I was expecting it to be somewhere within this genre of like the way that they was coming, but it's totally different, and I love it because I don't know what to expect. I like it. 10 out of 10, gang.
Right, homie. I pump your brakes, homie. Put it to your face, homie. What you gon' say, homie? Stay in your lane, homie. I'm with the brain, homie. Don't do the old or new friends, cause fools change on you. If I got no change on me, I'ma take your chain, homie. You acting like a bitch. Always trying to explain, homie. Still in these streets, like fuck this little fame, homie. And if you tripping, I'm tripping, it ain't a thing to me.
If you tripping, I'm tripping. It ain't a thing to me. I feel him, y'all. I feel him. He's on a different type of timing. Ghetto birds and thugs will be banging this on my way to my whereabouts in this car, y'all, on this lovely 4th of July. Like, let's do it. Yeah, gang, that is for sure, for sure, for sure. 10 out of 10 for me. And I hope that this is, oh no, I said it's 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10 for me, gang. And I hope that it's the same for y'all. But y'all let me know down below in the comment section. Rate this reaction and this video itself. 10 out of 10, gang. And let me know something down below. And happy 4th of July to y'all, gang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Whenever you like it, be one of the ones that run up to 50. I'm out.